Welcome to our today's trip to ancient Egypt, home of the Great Pyramids. Let us begin our exciting journey exploring this amazing human achievement. The pyramids are located in the Giza area, near the Nile River, and are one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. The pyramids were built more than 4,500 years ago and were part of the burial complexes of the pharaohs. Design and engineering. The most famous of these pyramids is the Pyramid of Khufu, known as the Great Pyramid. Built using millions of huge stone blocks, it is approximately 146 meters high. Even today, scientists still wonder how these giant structures were built with such precision. Workers and technology. Archaeological evidence has proven that thousands of skilled workers were involved in building the pyramids. They used simple tools and clever techniques to move heavy stones. They worked in coordinated teams and had residential camps equipped with all needs. Pyramids and mystery. The pyramids were not limited to being tombs for the pharaohs, but were also full of religious symbols and meanings. The inscriptions and statues that adorn its walls tell stories of ancient gods and beliefs. There are also many hidden rooms and secret passages that still mystify scholars. The effect of the pyramids. The pyramids have remained a symbol of Egyptian power and greatness throughout the ages. Even today, it continues to attract millions of tourists and researchers from all over the world who come to explore this giant edifice and unlock its secrets. Conclusion. This was our quick trip to the world of the pyramids, which still stand as a testament to human ingenuity and his ability to achieve the impossible. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more exciting stories. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.